Have you been looking for a home where all the work is done? Well, we found it for you. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Francine Bush with Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and RV parking, and 2,500 square feet.
And I cannot wait to show you the primary suite. Let's go look around.
Wow, look at this open space and this amazing kitchen. It is two-tone, it's got amazing quartz countertops, even a pot filler. Open to this living room, and it's amazing to have guests over and be able to entertain and see everybody all in one space.
3 bedrooms upstairs. They're all spacious, light and bright. They have updated vinyl windows. The hall bath is large, nice soaker tub, tile surround, double vanity, lighted mirror, and there's even a storage closet.
And now here we are right down from the main level. We have this huge living space. There's also a bathroom and a bedroom that you can also use as an office too. It has a door that goes out to the outside and backyard. So here we are in the conforming primary suite, where we have a large walk-in closet and a lovely bathroom that's got beautiful tile and a double vanity, and the tile even ties in with the kitchen backsplash.
There's a separate laundry space, and this home even has a tankless water heater. Y'all, look at this backyard. Can you imagine barbecuing out here?
This is a brand new fence with gate that leads out to the private parking.
A couple more things we wanted to tell you. This home has new heat and air and a new roof and gutters.
If you'd like to take a look, give me a call.
Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.